Hello class, in this video I will be discussing Module 6 Lesson 5, which is declining balance method. Okay, so this is another type of depreciation method. So in declining balance method, or also called Matheson's formula or constant ratio method, this is the formula you have to take note. Ang depreciation rate, or K, denoted as K, is equivalent to 1 minus nth square root of salvage value over first cost. The book value can be computed by first cost times 1 minus K raised to M, and the depreciation at mth year, at, ibig sabihin, this is not the total depreciation, it is only the depreciation at the said year. dm is equals to first cost times 1 minus K raised to M minus 1 times K. Okay? So let us solve sample problem number 1. A machine costing 720,000 is estimated to have a life of 10 years if the annual rate of depreciation is 25%. Determine the total depreciation using a constant percentage of declining balance method. Okay. So technically, ang hinahanap dito is the total depreciation after 10 years. Okay? Yeah. So meron tayong given na 25%. So para malaman natin yung total depreciation after 10 years, diba, dapat malaman natin kung magkano yung salvage value niya or resale value after the economic life. So meron tayong formula na K is equals to 1 minus nth root of salvage value over first cost. So meron tayong given na 0.25 or 25%, 1 minus how many years? 10. So 10th root ng salvage value over 720,000. Okay? So 0.25, 1 minus 10, okay, alpha x over 721. Shift solve. Okay. So meron tayong salvage value na 40,545.73. Now, diba sabi ko kanina sa previous videos ko na ang salvage value ay equivalent din sa book value. Yun nga lang, itong salvage value is the resale value after 10 years at ang book value is the resale value at X years, or yung hindi pa umaabot do sa economic life niya, diba? So, kung alam natin na ang book value ay equivalent sa first cost minus the total depreciation, para makuha natin yung total depreciation, we have to find the difference between the first cost minus the book value or the salvage value. Okay? So, total depreciation is equivalent to 720,000 minus the salvage value of 40,545.73. Okay. So, 720 minus the answer is equivalent to 679,454.27. Okay. So, this is the final answer. So let's proceed to sample number 2. A machine costing 45,000 is estimated to have a salvage value of 4,350 when retired at the end of 6 years. Depreciation cost is computed using a constant percentage of the declining balance, declining book value. What is the annual rate of depreciation? So hinahanap si K. So alam natin na 1 minus n of salvage value over first cost. So substitute natin 6. Salvage value is 4,350 over 45,000. So that is 1 minus 6. Oops. 1 minus 6 root and 4,350 over 45,000. Shift solve. Okay. Oops. Solve lang pala. So, meron tayong K na 0.3225 or 32.25%. Okay, 32.25%. Not 35.25. 32.25%. So this is the final answer for sample problem number 2. So let's proceed to sample problem number 3. A radio service panel truck initially cost $56,000. Its resale value at the end of the 5th year of the useful life is estimated at $15,000. By the means of the declining balance method, determine the depreciation charge for the second year. Okay, ang hinahanap is D2. Now, meron tayong given na first cost, salvage value, at useful life. Wala tayong given na K, so let's find the K. 1 minus 5, salvage value na 15,000 over 56,000. Okay, so 1 minus 5, fifth root of 15,000 over 56,000. So that is 23.16%. At para makuha natin yung D2 or depreciation at the second year, that is equivalent sa first cost, 56,000 times 1 minus 0.2316 raised to how many years? 2m or 2 minus 1 times 0.2316. Okay, so the depreciation at the second year is equivalent to 56,000. 1 minus 0.2316 raised to 2 minus 1, 0.2316. So the final answer would be 9965. Okay, 9965.84. So let's try na hindi tayo mag-round off kasi nag-round off tayo. Hindi tayo mag-round off ngayon. Try natin hindi mag-round off. 1 minus 5th root of 15,000 over 56,000. Ayan. So, 23.16. So, 56,000 times 1 minus answer times 2 minus 1 times, let's see the formula kung tama. Yeah, K. Answer. So, that is 9966.20. Okay, 9966. 9966.20. So, this is the final answer. Okay, 9966 to 9966.20. Okay, so that ends our lecture for lesson 5 of declining balance method. Thank you for watching the video.